Clean Air Company has been providing indoor air quality solutions since 1976. We handle welding fumes, wood dust, diesel exhaust gases, pharmaceuticals, silica dust, and more. Improving the air quality within your facility protects your employees' health, reduces your liability risk, maintenance costs, production downtime, and insurance premiums, and increases tool and motor life expectancy. We install all types of air cleaning equipment, including cartridge collectors, bag houses, cyclones, air cleaners, exhaust hose reels, wet collectors, fume arms, and more. Accessories include automated controls, frequency drives, motor starters, flexible hose connections, noise silencers, safety afterfilters, and explosion protection equipment. Our sales engineers meet at your facility to evaluate the application. We want to understand how the contaminant is generated so we can prevent or reduce exposure to within the safety threshold established by OSHA. We survey the building construction and your production layout to design the system. Our engineers establish airflow calculations to capture and contain the contaminant and transport it through the duct system without settling in the duct. Our service department is here to answer your questions and provide you with continued service to properly maintain or repair your system. We offer annual service contracts to maintain your equipment, which has proven to reduce system downtime by being proactive. Contact us today and learn why so many Fortune 500 companies trust Clean Air Company so they can breathe clean air.